Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss SPM 2022 at Maths Paper 1 question number 8, which we have here part A and followed by part B. Okay, let us read the question together. Diagram 3 shows the standard normal distribution graph. On diagram 3, shade the regions to represent probability modulus Z more than equals to A. So this is for the part A. For the part B, diagram 4 shows the standard normal distribution graph which is divided into 3 equal parts. As you can see here, you have part A, part B and part C. So the question asks us to state the value of K and the mode for part A. So this is the overall question 8. So take your time to solve this question and we will begin the discussion in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us begin our discussion for the question 8 part A. For the question 8 part A, they ask us to shade the region to represent probability modulus Z more than equals to A. So in this case, the modulus Z more than equals to A represent that the area consists of probability Z more than A and probability of Z less than equals to negative A, guys, in this case. So it is a combination of two areas. It's an addition of two areas in this case. Since you have the modulus over here, you need to consider the two possible region, positive and also negative, because no matter any value you have in the Z, since you have the modulus symbol, it will always come up into a positive value in this case. Okay, so from here you need to shade the outside of the given range in this case. So let us start to shade at the outside of the range. Okay, because over here is actually probability Z more than equals to A. So this is the probability Z less than equals to negative A. So the addition of these two probability leads to probability modulus Z more than equals to A. It is actually outside the boundary. Okay, if it is less than equals to A, it will be inside the boundary of the bell curve. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear about this. So let me just erase this. Okay, this is for your explanation purpose, by the way. Okay, let us proceed our discussion for the question 8 part B. Okay, let us begin our discussion for the part 1, where we need to find the value of K. So to find the value of K, try to recall back into the question where the graph is actually divided into 3 equal parts. So from here you have part A, part B and part C. Okay, so one thing you should remember, the summation of the area under the graph for the bell curve is actually equals to 1. So technically 1 when you divide with 3, so 1 over 3 when you convert it into decimal, so you get approximately 0.3333 for 3 segments. Here you have area A, B and C. So technically 3 areas you have approximately 0.3333. When you add them up, you get approximately 1, but technically you won't get 1, but very close to 1, which is 0.9999. Okay, so from here we're going to continue our working. So since probability A equals to probability B equals to probability C, so from here to continue our discussion, what you're going to do, we're going to pick either one of the region to continue our working. So to ease the calculation, what you're going to do, we're going to pick the region C over here. So from here, for the part 1, given that probability Z more than K, okay, so we're going to use the region C as our reference. Okay, equals to 0.3333. Okay, so from here refer to Z table. So that will be our next step. So refer to that Z table. Okay, let us open the Z table now. Okay, so this is our Z table. Okay, now it's better. So from here we need to find the probability value which is respect to 0.3333 or very close to 0.3333. So if you take a look, it is actually over here, which is 0.3336. Okay, when you try to align it to the respective z value. In this case will be 0.43, but then we have a problem here. We need to make sure this 6 equals to 3. So what we're going to do, we try to minus with the smallest number possible. Okay, here you have 4, 7, 11, but here you need to try to minus with 4, but you minus with 4, you get 0.3332, not 3333. So you have no choice, so just follow the z table. So when you minus it, so from here you get your k value. In this case will be 0.431. Okay, let me repeat again. So this will be your 0.3336. okay, so from here the 6 you minus with the 4. Okay, follow the subtract column. Okay, the value corresponding to the 4 is actually 1, so that's how you get the z value, or in this case the k value is equal to 0.431. okay, I hope you guys are clear about this. So let us exit. Okay, so from here refer to z table, you get your k value is actually equals to 0.431. okay, so this is for the part 1. So for the part 2, so from here they ask us to find the mode for the part A. Okay, to find the mode for the part A is actually equals to negative k, guys, because the highest value within the region A is actually negative k. So from here negative k will be our mode. So from here the mode for part A will be equals to negative 0.431. So this will be your answer for the part 2. So negative 0.431, or you can write z equals to negative 0.431 also can. Okay, so that is all for our discussion. So I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming Math tutorial videos. And I hope you share this video to your friends. Okay, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.